You must have seen this kind of premium character edge glow in some After Effects editor's videos, and you might have wondered, how do they create this effect? You may have watched many tutorials on YouTube, but probably didn't find a valuable tutorial that explains it properly. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'll show you how to create this PC-level character edge glow effect, using only your mobile phone. So, before we start, let's take a look at the result first.
So I've opened the project, and I've already used smart matting to remove the character's background. Next, duplicate your character layer twice, just like I did. Then rename the duplicated layers as 1 and 2. The layer names are very important. It might not make sense right now, but you'll understand why they're important later in the tutorial. Just follow the same naming method you see on my screen.
Now add a group. After adding the group, drag and drop both of the layers we duplicated earlier into the group. After that, tap on the group and hide the layer named 2 using the eye icon, just like I did. Then select the 1 layer. After selecting it, go to New Property, open the Mask section, and add a layer mask.
Adding the layer mask, click on Source. You'll see 2 options there, Self and 2, which is the layer we named earlier. Select 2, then click on Channel and choose Alpha. After that, turn Invert on. You might not understand what just happened, so to make it easier to see, hide the main character layer that is currently visible just like I did. Now you can clearly see the result. Why is the screen blank after hiding the main character layer? Don't worry, just be patient. Everything will become clear in a moment. Now tap on the group, select the 1 layer, and go to Transform. Under Position, set the X value to 0.49 and the Y value to 0.51. You can adjust these values according to your preference. Once that's done, tap on the group again. Now go to New Property and open Fill. Then, go to the Pattern option and add Gradient. After adding the gradient, set Color 1 to white and Color 2 to red. Adjust the angle according to your preference. I'm setting mine to 39.
Now set the offset to -0.23. And scale value 0.41.
Now go to New Property and add Soft Glow from the Asset Store. After adding it, set the spread value to 0 and the brightness to 0.90. Then go back to the Asset Store and add Glow again. After adding Glow, set the threshold value to 0.25 and the intensity to 1.2. Then set the glow color to a light pink, similar to the one I used. Basically, the glow color should match the color of the soft glow. After all of this is done, go to New Property and add Glow Scan from the Asset Store. After adding it, set the threshold value to 0.46. The radius value to 2.18. The scattering value to 471. And the intensity value to 2.8. Then, select Multiply in the blend mode and turn Smooth on. You can adjust these values according to your preference, because your values may not match mine exactly. A new property will appear. Then, go to CC and add Basic Correction. After adding it, go to Tone. Set the exposure value all the way up, and set the gamma value to -0.63. Once that's complete, unhide the main character layer that we hid earlier. After unhiding it, you'll get the result. But you might be thinking, this is only on the right side, not the left side. So, to add the edge glow to the left side as well, duplicate this group layer. After duplicating it, tap on the group that we just duplicated. Then select the 1 layer and go to Transform. Under Position, set the X value to 0.51. For the Y value, adjust it slightly so that it stays around 0.50. But the edge glow comes out a little just like I did. You can see how I adjusted it on my screen. First, select the group that we just duplicated and go to Gradient. Set the angle value to -32. Then, go back to the original group, select the one layer, and go to Transform. From there, adjust the edges according to your preference. In my case, the effect looks a little too strong, so I'm adjusting it slightly. After that, go back to the duplicated group and open Gradient. Set the offset value to -39 and the scale value to 0.65. Now tap on Glow and set the intensity value to 1.8. Then, go to Glow Scan and set the threshold value to 0.61, the scattering value to 6.0, and the intensity value to 1.8. After that, go to Basic Correction. Set the gamma value to 0 and the exposure value to 0.89. And there you go. We've successfully created the After Effects Edge Glow effect. If you've watched the tutorial this far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll keep bringing you more awesome tutorials. That's it for today. Bye, and I'll see you in another new tutorial.